Good morning. My name is Alex. Can you please tell me your full name?
Good morning. My name is Sophia.
Great, Sophia. Now, in this first part, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about your daily routine. Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I like to start my day early because it gives me more time to get things done and feel productive. It also allows me to go for a walk before the day gets too busy.
What do you like to do in the mornings?
In the mornings, I enjoy having a cup of tea while reading the news or checking my emails. Sometimes I go for a short walk, which helps me feel refreshed and ready for the day ahead. After that, I usually start working or studying.
Do you prefer to spend your weekends indoors or outdoors?
I prefer to spend my weekends outdoors, especially if the weather is nice. I enjoy going to parks, meeting up with friends, or exploring new places in the city. It's a great way to relax after a busy week.
Now, in this part, I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to think about it and make notes if you wish. Then you'll have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Your topic is, describe your favorite type of weather. You should say, what is the weather like? Why do you like it? How does it affect your mood? You have 1 minute to prepare. Please begin.
One of my favorite types of weather is sunny, but not too hot, usually around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, with a light breeze. It's the perfect balance between warmth and comfort. I like it because it's not too cold, and you don't have to wear heavy clothes, but it's also not too hot to make you feel uncomfortable. I especially enjoy this weather in the spring or early summer when everything looks fresh and green. It's the kind of weather that makes you want to spend time outside, whether it's having a picnic in the park, going for a walk, or just sitting on the balcony with a book. I find that this weather positively affects my mood. When the sun is shining and there's a pleasant breeze, I feel more energetic and motivated to get things done. It lifts my spirits and makes me feel more optimistic. It also encourages me to be more active, like going for a run or taking a bike ride. Overall, this weather makes me feel happy and helps me stay productive.
Thank you. Now, I'd like to ask you some more general questions related to weather. How does weather affect people's daily activities?
I think weather can have a big impact on people's daily activities. For example, if it's raining heavily, people may avoid going outside or might need to change their plans, like canceling outdoor events or delaying trips. On sunny days, people are more likely to spend time outdoors, exercising, or socializing. Bad weather, like extreme heat or cold, can also affect people's health and productivity. People might feel more tired or unmotivated during extreme weather conditions.
Do you think climate affects people's personalities?
Yes, I believe climate can shape people's personalities to some extent. For example, people living in colder regions might be more resilient and used to planning for harsh conditions. In contrast, those living in warmer climates might have a more relaxed and easygoing attitude, possibly because they don't have to deal with severe weather as often. That said, it's important to remember that personality is influenced by many factors, not just climate.
What do you think are the effects of climate change on weather patterns?
Climate change has significantly altered weather patterns around the world. We're seeing more frequent extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, and heat waves. In many places, summers are getting hotter and winters are becoming less predictable. These changes can disrupt agriculture, cause water shortages, and even lead to natural disasters. It's a serious issue that impacts not only the environment, but also economies and people's daily lives.
Do you think technology can help us predict and deal with extreme weather conditions?
Absolutely. Technology has already made huge advances in weather forecasting. We now have satellites and sophisticated models that can predict storms, heat waves, and other weather events days in advance. This helps governments and communities prepare for these events, reducing the damage they cause. In the future, I think we'll see even more precise predictions and innovations, like early warning systems for extreme weather, which could save lives.
Thank you. That's the end of the speaking test. You may leave the room now.